Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the video. My name is Jed Albring, and I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels benefits. I don't even know where to begin, guys, because there are so many freaking benefits here. I have been using ClickFunnels for about 3 years. When I first started using it, I didn't even have any products. I wasn't an affiliate. I didn't have any clients yet, but I knew the power of the software. And I think within about 30 to 60 days, I picked up my first client and I started building funnels for them, growing their email list, generating leads, and it just took off from there. I'm probably inside my ClickFunnels account more than I am doing anything else. I'm probably using ClickFunnels more than I'm texting back and forth with my wife. So if that tells you anything. But let me go through some of the top things here. One is it's obviously going to help you grow your email list. You're going to have so many different options for creating amazing landing pages. But that's really just scratching the surface. It's more than a landing page builder, right? It's truly about building your business, building your tribe, getting your message out to the world, getting your products out to the world. It's going to help you improve your customer conversions, right? Your earnings per click, your gross sales, your average cart value. It's going to save you a crap ton of time, guys. If you were to try and build a funnel on yourself, not only would it take you hours or days, but it would cost you thousands of dollars to have someone do this for you. And I know because I charge people because they simply don't want to do it themselves. You can literally upload pre-built funnels in just about every industry, everything you could ever imagine: opt-in funnels, product funnels, real estate funnels, network marketing funnels, webinars, auto webinars, pre-built for free, ready to go. All you have to do is change the language and the logos, and you're ready to rock and roll. So it's going to save you a ton of time, ton of money. No tech experience required whatsoever, guys. It's drag and drop. And also, it's going to help you automate your sales process. You can integrate with your current email service provider, or you can use the internal stuff available, depending on whether you go with the startup or the full suite plan. But you're going to have access to all your stats. It's going to, there's also what's called a smart list within the Actionetics program. I'm not going to go into too much details, but it actually, goes through and shows you the buying behavior of your customers. So really cool stuff. And then it's going to reduce your overall expenses and overhead. I know that if I were to piece together everything ClickFunnels does, and I have, probably would be about $500 to $600 because I create membership sites in there, I create landing pages, I create courses, I do webinars, I do my autoresponder in there, I do everything. If I were to buy all those packages separately, right? If I was to go out and buy a Kajabi website or a membership website and another automation web and all this kind of stuff, that's basically what you'd have to pay. So it's ridiculous. And again, as I talked about before, no tech experience, so you don't need to know how to code. It's going to greatly help you improve your engagement because funnels takes people through a process, right? It takes them through the steps. It's telling them what to do. Sending them straight to your website, they get lost. They don't know what to do, right? Your website is not built to sell. It's built to kind of look pretty, show people a little bit about you, give them some information. A funnel is built to sell, to take people on a journey, okay? If you're doing products and services, it's going to help you increase your average cart value. And the way it does that is by using upsells and one-click upsells. Most shopping carts, most products and e-commerce sites and online businesses, you basically buy the product, they take you to a checkout, and you're done. With ClickFunnels, you build funnels in a way that are going to increase your cart value in many ways, 10, 20, 30% or more, excuse me, because you're offering one-click upsells, one-time upsells, and you also have the option to do something called an order bump. So when they're checking out, all they have to do is click the button and you can add something onto it. So it's kind of like when you go to the grocery store and as you're checking out, you see all the gum and the candy and the magazines. That's like an order bump. Think of it that way. So obviously a good landing page helps you maximize your return on ad spends if you're running ads, building brand awareness. You can run split tests, which is fantastic. And you're going to be able to track and analyze all your traffic and sales in depth. So that being said, guys, the benefits of ClickFunnels, it keeps going and going and going. And benefits that we didn't talk about here today are also the community funnel hackers, as we call ourselves, within ClickFunnels that provide support. You can go into the ClickFunnels Facebook group any time of day, any time of night, And there's going to be somebody there if you ask a question that's going to help you. There's going to be somebody that's been in your shoes, that's built that funnel, that's had that problem, that's in your industry. Plus the training, the stuff they provide on YouTube, Russell Brunson's podcast. Russell Brunson, the founder, co-founder, him and Todd Dickerson, they are online 7 days a week, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, constantly providing value. They want you to succeed. So I hope that was enough information, guys. If you are new to ClickFunnels, I will put a link below. You get a 14-day free trial. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So if you end up buying ClickFunnels, thank you. It helps me keep my channel up and running, keep the kids fed. So please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and have a great day.